Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a few different dash cams from Thinkware. Their ARC 700, ARC 900, which I reviewed previously, and their new top-of-the-line model, the U3000 Pro. And we're going to compare their features and specifications, video quality, and of course pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. So Thinkware is one of the most popular dash cam companies for a reason. They've been around a while and have a solid reputation for quality components in their products, a nice app, and great customer service. So I'm excited to test out these dash cams. First, let's take a look at their similarities. All three dash cams are 2-channel units that can record real 4K footage from the front camera and 2K footage from the rear. And they've got HDR and night vision for solid picture quality. They all have a built-in GPS, Bluetooth, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. They have parking modes and hardwire kits. They provide safety camera alerts. They have built-in thermal protections and a supercapacitor. And they all come with a 64GB micro SD card. They're honestly all very comprehensive and impressive. That said, there are some notable differences. So the ARC 700 is their more budget-minded option. So while the ARC 900 and U3000 Pro have nice next-gen Sony Starvis 2 sensors for the front and the rear, the ARC 700 has the original Starvis sensor for the front, but not for the rear. And its max frame rate is a little lower for the front camera in 1440p at 45 frames per second versus 60 frames per second for the others. It also has a little more narrow field of view than the others at around 135 degrees for the front and rear versus around 150 degrees for the others. While these aren't major differences, they do combine for a clearer, better picture for the ARC 900 and the U3000 Pro compared to the ARC 700. Now, the ARC 900 and U3000 Pro feature the same front and rear Starvis 2 sensors in IMX678 for the front and IMX675 for the rear. So video image quality is the same between those two and very impressive. So you may be wondering, with the same image sensors, what's the difference between the two? There are a couple main differences. One, the ARC 900 has a built-in touchscreen that you can use to adjust settings, view the feed from the cameras, that sort of thing. I do like that personally, it is nice to have. The U3000 Pro and the ARC 700 too don't have a touchscreen, but they do have various buttons to control it. And of course, you can use the app to adjust settings for all of them, view the feeds, that sort of thing. Now, one of the big benefits for the U3000 Pro, though, is its built-in radar sensor. This is an advanced energy-saving feature for parking mode that only records when it senses motion in the detection range. While the standard motion and impact detection works fine, the radar sensor uses so much less battery it allows parking mode to run up to 20 times longer. That definitely gives me more peace of mind when it comes to the 12-volt battery, especially having an EV, which tend to have 12-volt battery issues. There is a separate radar module you can purchase for the others, but honestly, the U3000 Pro makes more sense because the cost would end up being around the same and it's built in already. The U3000 Pro also has a CPL filter included as well, which can really help cut down on glare. And it comes with an OBD2 power kit by default to really take advantage of that parking mode. And the OBD2 kit allows you to choose between EV or gas vehicles too to optimize its functionality. So for me, I think of them this way. The ARC 700 is a solid budget-minded option with decent specs. The ARC 900 has even better specs, plus a touchscreen. And the U3000 Pro has the same great specs as the ARC 900, plus the built-in radar module for longer parking mode surveillance, but no touchscreen. And honestly, all three are great in their own way, but let's go ahead and take a look at their picture quality. Again, overall video quality is solid for all three units. In the daytime, all of them have excellent image quality with solid dynamic range and great colors. You can notice the little narrower field of view for the ARC 700 compared to the others. The ARC 900 and U3000 Pro have that wider view, which does give a little bit of a fisheye effect, but it's not bad and allows you to see more in the frame. The ARC 900 and U3000 Pro are a little crisper with a little more detail, but not drastically different from the ARC 700. The rear cameras for all three are about the same as well. Decent picture quality here too. Overall, very comparable between all three for video quality. When it comes to frame rate and reading license plates, all are about the same here too. I keep it in 4K 30 frames per second for all of them because that seems to be the clearest all around and does end up actually being the best for reading plates, and they all did decently well. Dropping it to 1440p to get a higher frame rate doesn't actually help with reading license plates, to be honest. At night, all three perform relatively well, though like I mentioned in my ARC 900 review, video quality at night is pretty challenging for dash cams. There's more glare with lights, license plates are harder to read, particularly when it's dark with very little ambient light, and they're lit up by headlights. So if you're in a brighter area with street lights, it's fine, but in really dark areas, basically all cameras struggle for a lot of detail. That said, they all do fine and easily would be able to prove you're not at fault in case of an accident, with the ARC 900 and U3000 Pro having a little more detail and less noise than the ARC 700 thanks to their higher quality image sensors. But yeah, overall, there aren't huge differences in video quality between the three. So what about the pricing? I'll post links in the description for you. On Amazon, the ARC 700 is currently on sale for $320, while the ARC 900 is on sale for $350, and the U3000 Pro is $580. And if you use promo code TechJeff07, you can save an additional 20% on all of them, which saves you between $60 to over $100. With that, I personally think it makes sense to get at least the ARC 900 over the ARC 700. You get better image sensors and the built-in touchscreen. If you are concerned about parking mode surveillance, though, the U3000 Pro is the one to get with the built-in radar. It will allow you to record longer while parking and has the same high-end image sensors as the ARC 900. But again, if you want a more budget option that still performs really well, the ARC 700 is still a solid option. Let me know what you guys think though, and let me know if you have any questions about any of these dash cams. And as always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, hype the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.